Alright, this is a model of the skin. Let's see. So this is the epidermis. We'll start with the stratum corneum, which is these two layers. The stratum lucidum, the stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, stratum basale.
Poor Lucille's grandma spins baseballs.
Yes. Alright, so this is the dermis underneath here, underneath this blue line. Actually, that's the hypodermis, so it stops here. Alright.
Dermis.
Yes. Alright.
It's subcutaneous.
Yes.
She's skipping ahead.
No, I don't want to be in this video.
Alright. So this is the papillary layer of the dermis. And this is the reticular layer of the dermis here. Let's see. It is areolar tissue and dense irregular tissue. This is the subcutaneous layer. You can tell where the fat starts, or the adipose tissue, which is the yellow. Let's see. So in the dermis, we have the Meissner's corpuscles, which are these little things in the dermal papillae. We have the Pacinian corpuscles, which are the ones with all the layers. We have the free nerve endings, which are just these little guys. And let's see. And then the glands. We have the aracrine sweat gland.
Which is also called...
Merocrine.
Is that the merocrine also?
Yes.
Okay.
So aracrine, both these two. And let's see, the apocrine is the big green one. And let's see, the sebaceous gland is the one around the hair follicle. So these two. Alright? The dermal papillae are these little extensions of the dermis that go into the epidermis. And they have little blood vessels in them to supply the epidermis. The hair follicle is everything from the root or hair bulb to the start of the skin. And then the hair shaft is everything above the skin. And the erector pili muscle, the muscle in the dermis which erects the hair. So let's see. So in the subcutaneous layer, there is adipose tissue, arteries, and veins. Arteries, veins. Alright. So that's this. That's this layer. That's the skin. Now we go over to the separate types of skin. We have thick skin, which is all of this, which is found in either the palm or the sole of the foot. It has very thick stratum corneum. Very thick stratum corneum.
Oh, okay. My bad.
And it has the stratum lucidum, which is only found in thick skin. Alright? And it has merocrine glands. This is the axilla, armpit, and it's special by it has oh my god, apocrine sweat glands, which produce kind of pheromones and stuff. So
You pull that from? Okay.
I think that's not what I'm saying. All right, so this is the scalp, and it has lots of hair follicles, and every hair follicle has a sebaceous gland. All right, so it's around the hair follicle. And it does sebum. It produces sebum.
It makes sebum.
It makes sebum, which coats the hair and stops it from breaking. And you can see the erector pili muscle. All right. Let's see. Okay, burn classifications is on the back of here. All right. So you can see this little line separates the epidermis from the dermis. And the subcutaneous layer has the fat, which looks like Cocoa Puffs or something. Anyway. So the first degree burn is just the epidermis is damaged. That's like a sunburn or a scald. Alright. Second degree burn, the epidermis is damaged and the dermis is damaged a little.
The epidermis is destroyed.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
And the dermis is
epidermis
damaged?
is destroyed and the dermis is damaged. So you can see it forms blisters. So this is like a bad scald, hot water burn. So you can see, and then the dermis is damaged, all red. Third degree burn, the epidermis is destroyed, dermis is destroyed, and the hypodermis is damaged even. So yeah, everything's charred. It's just not happy. It goes all the way down here.
Usually those burns are really bad.
Alright, is
Yeah.
that everything? Then we just got the nail.
Okay.
Go for it.
So in the nail, you have. Oh, I need to see that. All right.
Other way around, right?
Yeah. So the nail, you have the body, which is the entire thing, I think. The nail body is just here. The nail. Okay. The nail plate is the whole thing, both outside and inside of the skin. All right. The free edge is the thing that you can get under, which all the dirt goes under. The root is here, which is under the skin. And the nail folds, I believe, are, where the skin overlaps the nail right here. It is not really on this model, but it's on the sides anyway.
Yeah.
All right? The eponychium, that's the cuticle. So it's, right above the nail. The nail bed is underneath the nail plate. It's that really tender area, which, if it gets hurt or anything, it really hurts. And then the matrix is where the nail grows. It's the very end of the nail root. That is the nail. And that is everything.